On YouTube, there's one question tech fans keep asking. Who's the best tech reviewer in the world? Is it MKBHD with those flawless visuals? Linus Tech Tips with his massive empire? Or Mr. Who's the Boss with that clean, relatable style? Stick around, because the answer isn't as obvious as you think. And by the end of this video, you might completely change your mind. Let's start with Marcus Brownlee, MKBHD. Cinematic shots, million-dollar setups, and reviews so polished, they feel like Netflix documentaries. But here's the twist. Does high-end production alone make someone the best reviewer? Or is there something more that actually matters? Next up, Linus Tech Tips. We're talking about the largest tech YouTube network ever. PC builds, gadgets, experiments, even crazy tech challenges. It's huge, it's entertaining, it's powerful. But ask yourself this, with a team that big, do you lose that personal one-on-one reviewer vibe? Then there's Aaron Maney, Mr. Who's the Boss, the smartphone guy. Crisp edits, sharp analysis, and a voice that feels relatable. But here's the question. Does being great at smartphones make you the overall number one? Or does that limit his crown to just one category? But wait, what if the winner isn't even one of these three? Think about Unbox Therapy, the king of first impressions. Dave 2D, the minimalist who dives deep into laptops. Or iJustine, Apple's ultimate fan with massive influence. Each of them has something unique. So is the real champion hiding in plain sight? MKBHD, the professional. Linus, the entertainer. Arun, the relatable. Lewis, the unboxer. Dave 2D, the analyst. So, here's the challenge. When you compare style, influence, and trust, who actually wins? When you watch MKBHD, you get that cinematic perfection. With Linus, you get non-stop energy and crazy variety. And with Arun, you get honesty and relatability. The truth, the best reviewer isn't one single person. It depends on what you care about most. Quality, quantity, or connection. So I'll leave it to you. Who wins this battle of tech YouTubers? Drop your answer in the comments, because the real decision is in your hands.